This Bella Nonstick Cookware set with glass lids is a versatile and complete solution for modern kitchens. With 21 essential pieces, this cookware set aims to simplify your cooking experience while maintaining style and practicality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this set promises to elevate your culinary adventures. Let's explore why this cookware is creating a buzz among kitchen enthusiasts. Unboxing the Bella Nonstick Cookware set. From the moment you open the box, the Bella Nonstick Cookware set impresses with its thoughtful design and variety. Here's what you get. 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans for versatile stovetop cooking. 2 cute saucepan with lid and 3T covered sauté pan for stews and sauces. 5 QT covered Dutch oven for hearty meals. 10-inch by 15-inch baking sheet and 9-inch by 13-inch roasting pan for oven recipes. 6 nylon cooking tools for scratch-free usage. 5 glass storage bowls with clasp lids to keep leftovers fresh. Every item feels sturdy and well-made, with a focus on functionality and durability. The cookware's sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Key features that stand out. 1. Non-stick coating for effortless cooking. The Bella Cookware set features a PFOA-free non-stick interior that ensures food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleaning easier than ever. Whether you're flipping pancakes or simmering soups, you'll use less oil for healthier meals. Number 2. Versatile compatibility. This cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, ceramic, and electric. The even heat distribution ensures perfect cooking results every time. 3. Durable glass lids with vents. The glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the cover, ensuring flavors and moisture stay locked in. The vents prevent steam buildup, making cooking safer and more efficient. 4. Essential accessories included. The set goes beyond pots and pans. The nylon utensils are perfect for non-stick surfaces, and the glass storage bowls with airtight lids make meal prep and storage hassle-free. 5. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. Every piece in this set is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Cooking experience with the Bella Nonstick Cookware set. Cooking with the Bella Cookware set is a seamless experience. The frying pans are ideal for quick breakfasts, while the Dutch oven is perfect for family-sized meals. The baking sheet and roasting pan extend the functionality into the oven, making this set versatile for every meal type. The non-stick coating performs exceptionally well, even with delicate foods like eggs or fish. The cookware heats evenly, ensuring no hot spots ruin your recipes. Style meets practicality. The Bella Nonstick Cookware set is more than just functional, it's a style statement. The black finish with glass lids adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or preparing weeknight meals, this cookware set elevates the experience. Perfect for gifting. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Bella Nonstick Cookware set is an excellent choice for housewarmings, weddings, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Its combination of style and utility makes it a practical yet elegant gift. Pros and cons. Pros. Comprehensive 21-piece set covers all kitchen needs. PFOA-free non-stick coating for healthy cooking. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Versatile compatibility with all stovetops. Sleek and stylish design. Cons. Nylon utensils may not appeal to users seeking stainless steel tools. Non-stick coating requires care to avoid scratches. Why choose the Bella Nonstick Cookware set? If you're looking for a cookware set that combines functionality, style, and convenience, the Bella 21-piece set checks all the boxes. Its versatility makes it ideal for novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike, and its easy cleanup adds a layer of practicality that busy households will appreciate. Final thoughts. This Bella Nonstick Cookware set with glass lids is more than just a set of pots and pans. It's a comprehensive kitchen solution. Whether you're a passionate home cook or just setting up your first kitchen, this set is designed to meet all your needs. Invest in the Bella Cookware set today and transform your cooking experience. Click the link below to learn more about this amazing product and see why it's a favorite among home chefs. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.